What's the single biggest cost in your shop? It's not fabric, it's not your electric bill, it's not even labour, it's your bottleneck. While orders stack up, your competition is moving faster, and that's profit walking right out the door. It's time to smash that bottleneck. Introducing the MimoWork 1630 Vision Laser Cutter, the field-tested workhorse built for apparel manufacturers who need speed, power and precision without the insane price tag. This is how we do it. First, raw cutting speed. The 1630 Vision moves at a blistering 1,500 mm per second. To put that into real-world terms, this kind of velocity lets you produce around 1,600 to 2,500 sets of sportswear, depending on your patterns, in a single 8-hour shift. That's not just keeping up with orders, that's getting ahead of them, turning your production floor into a profit engine. Second, the power to match. To cut that fast, you need serious output. The 1630 Vision is built around a robust 300-watt CO2 laser tube. This guarantees that even at top speed, every cut is clean, consistent and complete on the first pass, every single time. Third, a massive work area. We stepped up from the standard 1610 size to a generous 1630 format. That gives you an extra 6.5 feet, over 2,000 millimeters in cutting length. This means you can nest more patterns, waste less material, and spend a lot less time scratching your head over layout puzzles. Fit more on the bed, cut more per hour. It's that simple. Finally, precision drivetrain. Speed and size mean nothing without control. Our heavy-duty gear and rack transmission system, paired with high-performance servo motors, delivers rock-solid accuracy at any velocity. This means razor-sharp detail on the most intricate designs, flawless repeatability, and the relentless reliability you need for 24/7 production. But we didn't stop there. The 1630 Vision is a complete solution designed specifically for sublimated apparel like sportswear and swimwear. The setup includes an auto feeder, a conveyor system, and our vision system. It automatically scans your printed material, detects the cutting pattern, corrects for any distortion, and plots the perfect cut path, all by itself. In simple terms, you load the roll, press start and walk away. This is true industrial automation, made simple and affordable. We handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. Now, enough talk. Here is our simple offer. Anyone can show you a laser cutting plain material in a perfect demo video. We think that's backwards. We want to show you your material cut perfectly, in a live, free demo with your actual fabrics. No edits, no secrets, no cost, and zero obligation. Seeing is believing, and we're here to prove it. Ready to see what the 1630 Vision can do for your bottom line? Click the link in the description to schedule your free live demo now.